Introduce myself, I'm BJ Stein.
And I'm the Noah Constructor, and
we're feeling mighty fine. Mrs. P asked us which newspaper we would take. We said give us the arrow and we'll kill it like a rattlesnake.
So we sat down and put on our thinking caps and finally came up with this cool kid rap.
We got such fresh data on the arrow.
It'll raise your hairs and chill your bone marrow.
It's fun, chill, and informational, so buckle your seatbelt.
We got good educational.
The Arrow newspaper was founded in 1854.
But they didn't even have their own store.
Wait, then where'd they even print this stuff?
It was printed in the Bugle office of Council Bluffs. Johnson and Patterson founded this paper.
It took a lot of patience and a heck of a lot of labor. Patterson was the editor and Johnson was the businessman.
This is how the newspaper ran.
You're killing this presentation like a block of C4, but tell me, who is this paper for?
Well, don't you know it was for the general public? It was the first newspaper in Omaha to ever be published.
Omaha needed a source of instant information.
They wanted to know what was going down all across the nation.
I like it.
Like
the beat.
Bring it around, boys. Here we go.
Well, what was happening all across the land?
Well, the Kansas and Nebraska Act was the matter at hand. Johnson and Patterson thought the paper was a success, but on November 10th, they realized it was a mess.
They didn't have money and they didn't have supplies, and as we all know, that's how a newspaper dies. Now that you've got the facts all about the Arrow, it's time for us to fly off, just like a fish. Drop the bass.
Shut up.